Welcome to Tech Basics, where today we're unlocking the secrets behind computer memory. Exploring RAM isn't just for tech enthusiasts. It's essential for anyone who wants to understand what makes devices run smoothly. Let's dive in and meet our memory guide. A friendly RAM chip mascot, ready to walk us through DRAM, SRAM, and SDRAM. Random access memory, or RAM, is like your computer's short-term memory. It helps devices process data quickly and efficiently. But not all RAM is created equal, and choosing the right type can make a big difference in performance. Our mascot will highlight how DRAM, SRAM, and SDRAM stack up against each other. Let's start with DRAM, one of the most common RAM types in modern computers. DRAM, or dynamic RAM, stores each bit of data in a separate capacitor and needs to be refreshed thousands of times each second. Its high density makes it affordable, but this frequent refreshing impacts both speed and power consumption. Now let's examine SRAM, or static RAM, which takes a different approach. Unlike DRAM, SRAM uses flip-flop circuits to store each bit, so it doesn't need to be constantly refreshed. This design results in faster access times and lower latency, making SRAM ideal for CPU caches, but at a higher cost and with lower density. SRAM chips, although quick, are bigger and more expensive per megabyte, which limits their use in most computers. You'll typically find SRAM in small amounts, reserved for tasks requiring lightning-fast memory like processor caches. Our mascot demonstrates this by showing a tiny but crucial memory section right next to the CPU on a simplified motherboard. Next, meet SDRAM, Synchronous Dynamic RAM, a variant that upgrades traditional DRAM by synchronizing its operations with the system clock. This synchronization allows SDRAM to process instructions in precise, rapid bursts, greatly improving efficiency for modern multitasking. Our mascot spotlights SDRAM with a pulse animation coordinated to the ticking. With SDRAM, computers can better handle demanding apps, streaming, and multitasking, key for today's fast-paced workflows. This advantage makes SDRAM the standard RAM type in most desktops and laptops built in the last 2 decades. Our mascot now presents a side-by-side animated comparison between DRAM, SRAM, and SDRAM speed and usage. Let's review. DRAM offers high capacity at low cost but needs constant refreshing, while SRAM brings speed at a higher price, and SDRAM blends capacity and efficiency through synchronization. This clear breakdown helps you understand which RAM types work behind the scenes as you multitask, game, or stream. Knowledge is key for technology choices. Choosing the right RAM type depends on balancing speed, capacity, and cost for your unique needs. Whether you're building a new computer or upgrading existing memory, these differences matter more than ever. Our cheerful RAM mascot reminds us that understanding foundational tech concepts paves the way to smarter decisions and better performance. Thanks for exploring RAM types with us. We hope this animated breakdown demystifies DRAM, SRAM, and SDRAM and helps you recognize their roles in your tech toolkit. For more clear tech insights and memory tips, subscribe to our channel, and let our friendly RAM mascot be your ongoing guide to smarter computing.